Oh, keep them moving. Do your maintenance.
Do your maintenance. Yeah, there's nothing worse than a stuck slide.
Hey, Sharon from Drive to Ride. And today, on this warm summer day, Jim is going to show you what he does for maintenance to keep our slides sliding.
Okay, so Sharon says we're going to be talking about some slide maintenance today. And this is something I do every few months. This isn't something that you do even monthly, maybe once a quarter, that you'll want to pay attention to your slides and make sure they're lubricated. And the slide we're going to be talking about today is this guy right here. And there's two things we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about maintenance on the Schwintek slides, which is the mechanism that the slide extends and retracts with. That's as opposed to other electric systems or hydraulics. So this is an electric system, and you can tell if you've got a Schwintek slide if you've got this kind of track with this serpentine pattern here. That is the indicator that you have a Schwintek slide. These are very popular right now. Now there are other electric mechanisms for slides. There's pulley systems and screw systems and things like that, but this is a Schwintek slide, and that's the one we're going to be doing maintenance on. The other thing that we're going to be doing is paying attention to our seals, and all slides have got these rubber seals. They actually require some maintenance, so we're going to show you what we do. So the products we're going to be using for the Schwintek slides, we're looking for a lubricant that is made to stick to metal, and what we use is Thetford Slide Out lubricant. This is the stuff that we use, and this is the stuff that our dealer recommended that we use on the Schwintek slides. So we're going to be putting this on the rails for the Schwintek. And the other thing we're going to be using for the seals themselves is this stuff. It's called Champion's Choice Protect-All Slide Out Rubber Seal Lubricant and Protector. Now then, so it lubricates the rubber seals, and it also protects them. It has UV protected in it, so you can think of it kind of like suntan oil for your rubber seals. In time, rubber seals will deteriorate to the point they have to be replaced. Now, we're talking years usually. This isn't anything that's going to happen quickly. But if you want to just keep the seals supple for as long as you can, you need to do something like this, and we'll show you how to use it. Okay, so we're going to start our process this morning on this slide with the Schwintek lubricant, and we're going to use the lubricant, a rag, and a Q-tip. We'll show you what to do with those. So we'll shake this stuff up. We're going to spray it on. You don't want a heavy coat on it. We got this sprayed. Now we're going to take our rag and we're going to wipe the excess off first. And we're going to take a corner of the rag and get down in the little track above the serpentine pattern. And you don't want to wipe this stuff completely off. All you're wanting to do is just get the excess off. Now we're going to take the Q-tip, and where we have sprayed in the serpentine rack, we'll call it, the lubricant is now gathering down in the bottom of each serpentine. We're going to take the Q-tip and just blot it out. And the reason you're doing that is because this stuff is going to attract dirt. And you don't want to attract dirt just to build up in there it's just not a good idea. So we're just going to dab this thing in here and just absorb all that excess lubricant, just to get it out of there, leaving the metal itself. The wear points are up here on these tracks. We're going to leave that in there, and there's enough lubricant. This sticks to the metal so that it does what we want it to. So we take our product here. This is the Slide Out Rubber Seal Treatment, and this, of course, we're shaking all this stuff up, and this comes out as a foam, and we're just going to spray it on. It's not a particularly neat process. And just take a cloth that's actually pretty soaked with this stuff, and you're not trying to wipe it off. All you're really trying to do is just spread it out and get off the excess, but you want to leave a film on the slide. Kind of like that. Another step that you may not think about is to take your cloth now. Remember, this is kind of impregnated with the stuff, and wipe the back side of it. So what does that do? All right, this is both a protectant and a lubricant. And what wiping the back side of the seal will do is to lubricate that rubber so that it stays supple and will seal well against the slide itself. So that's what you do with this stuff. Okay, I'm now pooped, so we're just going to sit down here and bask in the glory of a job well done.
Yeah, beautiful day.
Like I say, we don't do this except maybe once a quarter, and today was that once a quarter when we do it, so we thought we'd just show you how we maintain those slides. So we have gotten our slides, gotten the preventative maintenance on our slides done. So we hope that helps you.
Yeah,
if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can tell your friends. You can give us a comment. Oh yeah, by the way, if you have products that you like to use, unlike the ones that I've shown here, tell us, yeah, exactly. Tell us about what you use.
Keep them moving. Do your maintenance.
Do your maintenance, yeah. There's nothing worse than a stuck slide.
Yeah.
And there's enough moving parts on an RV already, so do what you can to keep them all sliding in and out.
And happy camping.
Yeah. Happy camping, yeah. Enjoy the summer. Talk to you later. See ya. You know, you just don't realize how many cars are moving around in a campground until you're trying to do a video,
and they all
suddenly they're all over the place.
Zoom, zoom.
So yeah,
golf carts mostly.
Golf carts, maintenance trucks, all kinds of things. I guess they heard we were going to do a video. Said, hey, let's go look and see, and make all kinds of background noise for us. At any rate, yeah, if you have a product that you like to use for lubrication of the slides, tell us what it is. I'm always interested to find something better, something easy to use, something more, what's the word I'm looking for? More...
It's just cheaper?
Well, cheaper is good. Yeah, cheaper would be good.
Works for me.
Yeah, more applicable, more long-lasting.
What works for you?
Yeah, what works for you? That's just, I guess we'll just leave it there. What works for you?